Alright, you guys, I am burning up hot. It is so hot here in LA today, and my room is on fire. With these lights, girl, it's just like whew, on fire. But what's also pretty hot is this wig right here. As you guys see, I have another blue wig. This is a navy blue wig. This is by the company Sensationnel, and this is the Empress lace parting wig in the style D. It also says here that it is safe up to 350 to 400 degrees. Curl it just like human hair. That's what it says here. Obviously, this is not human hair. This is the parting space that they give you. So I'm kind of happy that they are putting this type of information on the outside of the wig. And you guys get to see it on the actual stock card, so you know what you're getting yourself into. Two things that it says wear as is with hand-tied lace parting. The second thing, it says cut and blend with your own hair. So that's great. So that's everything you need to know about the lace parting. Yeah, and in the back it has some actual instructions. Oh, it's actually showing you that you can cut this and make it like a U-part wig. That's what it's saying here. So I think that's pretty cool. Me personally, I won't be doing that. But yeah, you can go ahead, cut the lace, and it's showing you how you can blend in your real hair with this. But personally, I wouldn't advise that. I don't know why you would do that with a synthetic wig. I don't know how cute that's gonna look. I mean, unless your hair blends in well with it, I don't know. So anyway, let's go ahead and take this out of the box. So here it is. Look at that color, you guys. And this wig is actually true to color. What you see on the screen is actually true to color to what I see here in person. Because sometimes, like, the lighting does things to the wigs. But anyway, how do you get this out of here? What the heck? So it's like stuck to the bottom by this little white thing. I don't know what this white thing is. Oh, it's to hold the shape of the wig. Okay, I see what this is. So let me take that out. That was this. It was stuck to the bottom. That's one thing I don't like because it's messing up the freaking packaging. I don't know why they did that. But anyway, so let's take the stuffing out. Take this net off. And release them curls, girl. Oh, this color is so bomb. It's like aqua blue. It is so freaking pretty. Okay. So now let me go ahead and cut the stock card off. And I'm going to go ahead and cut the combs out of here if it has any. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? This one doesn't have freaking combs. I love this wig already. Because the reason being is because as of lately, this is the thing that I've come to understand. I have a small head, okay? My head is really small, if you guys can see. I don't have that much room for actual hair, okay? So when I wear wigs, a lot of times if I don't cut the combs out and I tie the actual the straps like really tight because I need it to be tight on my head, like I'll have combs like kind of sticking out of my wig sometime, and then I don't know it and it's sticking out. So I'm glad that this is not the case with this wig. So here's the inside of this wig. You guys see there is no combs in this wig, which leads, and it has a lot of room for tracks, as you guys can see. But I would say this is definitely big head friendly. I don't know if it's small head friendly. We're about to find out. And then, yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and adjust the straps. And this one doesn't have any lace for me to cut off either. I don't have any lace that I have to cut off. So that's also a pretty good thing. The only thing that I am going to do, I am going to use my razor this time. I've just come to terms with it. I'm going to use my razor and just widen up the part a little bit. And then I'll put some powder in the inside. So let's go ahead and just put it on and just see how we feel about it initially. Okay. So I'm going to bring the hair. Ooh, this is pretty. Obviously, I haven't fingered out the curls or anything yet, so this is what it's looking like. Right now, let me bring the camera up so you guys can see a little more. So, okay, initially, here's the parting, and it's a little bit on the poofy side. So we're going to fix all of that, but initially, like, I love the color on me. The color is really pretty. The waves are really nice. I haven't undone them yet. They're still very uniform. So what we're going to do, they did try to cut some like baby hairs in here already for you. So one thing that I will say that I like about this particular wig company, Sensationnel, I don't know if I've tried any of their wigs before, But the thing that I like about this particular wig company is that they're taking a lot of the things out that I normally do, which saves me a lot of time. They've already cut the lace off for me, so I don't need to cut the lace. They already cut the combs out for me. I hate combs, so that's really great. And then also the parting isn't the best, but they did cut some baby hairs in here for you. But of course I'm gonna cut my own baby hair. I'm not gonna like use these only. I'm gonna use them, but I'm gonna use my own baby hairs that I'm gonna cut. So I think that's pretty cool. Is there any on this side? I don't see them. Oh, okay, I guess you gotta like finger them out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my normal. You guys already know by now how I do my baby hairs and everything like that. I even showed it in my last video. So if you want to see that, definitely watch some of my previous videos and I'll show you guys step by step exactly how I do my baby hairs. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and do my baby hairs, come back, finger these curls out on camera so you guys can at least see that part, and then I will let you guys know how I feel about this unit. Okay, you guys, I know I look crazy because I had basically I shaved this part, but I know because I did that I was going to have to like pull some of the curls out because I'm pulling out all of the hair that I shaved off. So this is part of it on this side. I just want to make sure when I pulled out the curls that I did it on camera. So so just to keep the shape of the hair, I'm just gonna like use my whole hand and not my nails and just like brush this through. Okay, so there's that side. Now let me finish taking out this side because I have a lot of hair that I shaved off. That's that part. Now let me bring the rest of the hair up front. And I didn't put anything on my part. I just kind of left it as is. So this is all the hair up front without taking out or picking out too much of the curls. I just kind of barely did that. And off top, y'all could, like, do I need to say anything? Like, I know this hair is so bomb. Like, oh my gosh. So off top, it's soft. So I'm just gonna keep pulling out the curls a little bit, just to see, you know. So we got some tangling down here, but I always expect tangling in the front of my hair anyway, because that's where I tend to do a lot of the plucking and the cutting and everything like that. So then let me just, and then like I said, just to give the shape back, if you guys want the shape back, then just, you know, use your whole hand. Don't run your fingers through it, just use your hands to kind of do that part. So let me do this side a little bit, get that. Ooh, them curls though. Them curls though, like I wanted to do this one in a color because I felt like this reminded me a lot of the Harmony 116, and I didn't want to do like that exact same look. I wanted to make sure that I gave you guys like some color, and I have really been loving the blue color lately, so that's why you guys are seeing a lot of blue wigs here on my channel. But these curls, they comb out so easily with your nails. Like I'm using my, you know, my acrylic nails or whatever. But yes, and if you want it to be big, you can make it bigger. Pull one side to the back so you guys can see. She's cute. I love this wig. Super cute. And then there's my part. Like I said, I didn't put any powder or anything. The only thing that I would say is like this back piece, like if I can make this more flat, but it's okay because the hair is pretty poofy anyway, so it kind of works in a sense. So I'm just kind of halfway combing that part out. But yes, you guys, I love this hair. Okay, you guys, so now let's get into how much this wig costs. This wig is only $22. $22. You got $20 sitting in your purse right now, honey. $22 is all you're gonna pay for this beautiful unit. Shipping was fairly quick on this wig. After I got the email that it was being shipped out to me, I received it within like 3 to 4 days, like 3 to 4 business days or whatever. So shipping costs a flat rate of $4.99, which is very affordable, and they do ship internationally, which is also amazing because I know I have a lot of subbies that are not here in America. You guys are all over the world, and yes, you guys can get your hands on this wig as well. Now typically this unit retails for about $40, so on Ebonyline you are getting it half off for only $22. So that's why if you're like, why is it only $22? That's how much Ebonyline.com is selling this wig. Now on their website, this unit does come in 12 different colors. They have a 613 blonde, they have a black one, they have an ombre one that's like a honey blonde, it's like dark roots honey blonde. They have this one which is teal. They have emerald, which is like a lighter blue. They have a red one and they have a copper red, which is really freaking gorgeous. I really want to try that copper red next, like after this one, because like I really love the style of this hair, and even though it's big, it can be tamed. So that's the benefit of it too, because if you don't want it to be, you know, too big, you know, you can use your hand like such, and you see how those curls get more uniform and it's not so big. So, you know, that's the benefit of that. Another thing that I like about this particular website is that they do give you some tips on how to maintain the hair, how to take care of your wig, which is amazing, because a lot of websites, they just, you know, they just sell you the hair. But this website tells you how to maintain your wigs after you've worn them. I'm not really like familiar with wig care, because usually like I wear my wigs, like I'll take them off. So I don't really wear the same wig all the time to the point where it needs to have maintenance on it, because I have so many units at this point. So I don't really take care of them. I pretty much just like, when I don't want to wear them anymore, I put them back in the bag or put them in a box, sit them off to the side until I'm ready to wear them again. And if anything, I'll just get like a wide tooth comb if it's like hair like this, and then I'll comb it out. If it is straight hair, then I simply just take the wig, brush it out, flat iron the hair. Another great thing that I think a lot of you guys are going to really like about Ebonyline's website is the fact that they do have a reward program. So every time you buy something, you get points. You rack up different points, which then calculates into a little coins. So essentially, you're getting cash back for your order on their website, which is always a plus. Like, we always want cash back no matter what the case. So you can end up using all of the money that you rack up from just spending money on their website, and you can use that to purchase a new unit. Ebonyline doesn't only sell synthetic wigs, they also sell unprocessed human hair wigs. They sell flat irons, they sell any kind of like beauty products that you might need for your natural hair. It's basically an online beauty supply store, so any and everything you can possibly need as far as your hair is concerned, they have it on their website. And they have wig stands if you need a wig stand to hold all of your lovely wigs, like this one here that I know you're gonna buy because it's fly. So they have an abundance of items for your hair on their website, which is great. And if you are someone that's in the UK and you have like a product here in the US that you guys don't carry over there, this is your perfect opportunity to get your hands on some of the products that we talk about here in the US. They actually were selling the Mina wig on this website as well, because I know a lot of you guys love my Mina wig. They were selling it on here, so if you are interested, they might still have it. I don't know, we'll check and see. But in the meantime, in between time, make sure that you guys are following me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat. Make sure you guys are also following Ebonyline on social media. I will leave their information here on the screen and in the description box down below. And until next time, bye.